Alrighty, here is our drawing from the March Top Dog. The bowlers that bowled February that returned to March were in a special drawing. On these tickets, I put everybody's names that were a part of this. Previous month, we gave them out at the tournament and then did drawing. So the winner today out of these tickets will get $25 next time I see them. And if they bring a bowler to the April Top Dog that did not bowl in March, they'll get an additional $25. So basically they get 2-for-1 tournament entry. So here we go. Let's scoop them all up. Oop. Get those in there. That was fun doing one-handed. Situated. Lady still going crazy on me.
What the hell that is?
Alright, let's get ourselves down here where we can't see. And ticket coming out is, winner is Zach Wheeler. So Zach, you bring somebody in March that did not bowl March to our April tournament, and you'll get the additional 25. And if you don't bring anybody, you'll still just get 25 for the winning. Congratulations.